Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today's newspaper, Saturday, May the 2nd, 2020, May the 2nd, we have in this daily newspaper Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic puzzle. Total of 6 Sudokus. We will start with the first one, the Sudoku with a 1 star. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number I can use. A1 in this row, A1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1, let's see. Another number. How about the 8? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. Then the other 3 numbers are the numbers 9, 3 and 5. I see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Then we have the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. You need to wait for more information. But we have a 9 in this column. A 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let's see. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. I see here 5. So no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. And I know previous this box should be the 9. What numbers are these 3 numbers then? The numbers are 2, 7, and the 9. 2, 7 and the 9. 2, 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about yes, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers missing. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. The 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 numbers are missing in this big square. The numbers are 1, 5, and 3. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then one box missing in the third column for the number 2. 2 is missing, yes. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 2 should be here. Then these 3 numbers are the numbers 8, 5, 8, 5, and 6. 8, 5, and 6. And look, we have an 8 and a 5 here. So no 8, 5, 8 and a 5 in this box. 1 digit left for the 6. Right. The other 2 numbers, 8 and 5, should be there, but I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about... in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, no 6 there. I see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. The other 3 numbers, first in this row, the 2 numbers here are the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4 are missing, 3 and the 4. That means this number, 3 and the 4, this should be the 8. We have an 8 here. That means those 2 numbers in this big square, the 8 and the 5, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers missing in this row for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. And look, we have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be here. These 3 numbers are the numbers 7, 9, and the 2. 7, 9, and the 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only 1 place for the 7 should be there. The 9 and the 2 are missing. 9 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square, 9 and the 2, these are the numbers 3 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Here we have the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 9. We have here 3 and a 6. That means in this row, the middle row, 3 and a 6, those numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Can I fill this? The 4 and the 3? No, need to wait. How about these 3 numbers in this column? The missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. The 1, 7, and the 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 here. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 6. Here we have the 1 and the 7. 1 and a 7. And look, we have a 7 here, so this cannot be the 7. This should be the 7. And this should be the 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then how about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers are the 8, the 4, and the 2. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have an 8 and a 4 here. So this box cannot be 8 and a 4. 1 digit left for this box should be the 2. Here we have the 8 and the 4, 8 and the 4. And look, we have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. What number was this? The 3 and the 4? We have a 4 here now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. Yes, the 9 is missing. Wow, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 3 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. I cannot feel this yet. Need to wait. 3 and a 9. Here we have also 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. And these 2 numbers then. 7 and the 6. 7 and a 6. We have a 7. No. We have a 7 there. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. These 2 numbers in the middle a row. The 6 and the 3. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. For a Sudoku, a 1 star, it's okay. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download a PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching. And I see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you and bye-bye.